Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. I am Shahana Begum, Assistant Teacher, Foundation School, Lalmatia, Dhaka. Subject Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 9, Topic Percentage. Today my topic is what problem of percentage. Look at this question. If Joshim borrows 2000 taka from a bank with an annual interest rate 6%, how much money will he pay back in 1 year? Here 2000 taka is principal money because you know that the money borrowed or invested is called principal and interest rate is 6% and time is 1 year. Now to solve this problem, first you have to find out the interest on taka 2000 because you know that principal with interest will be payback. So on taka 100 in 1 year, interest is 6 taka. On taka 1 in 1 year, interest is 6 by 100 taka. On taka 2000 in 1 year, interest will be 6 multiplied by 2000 divided by 100. Now 0 will be cancelled. Then 6 multiplied by 20 is equal to 120 taka. So he will get back 2000 plus 120 is equal to 2120 taka. To solve this problem, you can apply alternative method. Look, here principal is 2000 taka, rate of interest 6% and time is 1 year. We know that interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time divided by 100 is equal to 2000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1 divided by 100. 0 will be cancelled, then 20 multiplied by 6 is equal to 120 taka. So he will pay back 2000 plus 120 is equal to 2120 taka. Next question. Sohel borrowed 800 taka from a bank and paid back 856 taka in 1 year. What was the annual interest rate? Here 856 taka principal with interest and 800 taka is the principal money. So if you subtract 800 taka from 856 taka, then you will get interest. Now principal with interest is 856 taka. Principal is 800 taka, so interest is 56 taka. Now on taka 800 in 1 year, interest is 56 taka. On taka 1 in 1 year, interest will be 56 divided by 800 taka. So on taka 100 in 1 year, interest will be 56 multiplied by 100 divided by 800. Now 0 will be cancelled, then 8 5 are 56 is equal to 7 taka. So on 100 taka in 1 year, interest is 7 taka. That means 7%. Now, Amina borrowed some money from a bank with an annual interest rate 5% and paid the annual interest 30 taka. How much was the principal? Here principal is unknown. You have to find out the principal. And 5% interest means On taka 100 in 1 year, interest is 5 taka. So we can say that when taka 5 is interest, then principal is 100 taka. When taka 1 is interest, then principal is 100 by 5 taka. When taka is 30 is interest, then interest principal will be 100 multiplied by 30 divided by 5. 5, 6 are 30. Now 100 multiplied by 6 is equal to 600 taka. So principal is 600 taka. So clear student? That's all for today. Thank you.